Tired of leaving money on the table? What if you could double your rewards on something you're already paying for every single month? With Rogers 5G, you can. We're talking about stacking cashback on top of cashback to get a return that's almost unheard of. It's a simple hack, but it's one that a lot of people are missing. Let me break down exactly how you can do it. So here's the deal, Rogers has a limited time offer that's a game changer. If you sign up for their Infinite Ultimate or Ultimate VIP 5G plans, you'll automatically get a special 2x cashback promotion on eligible Rogers purchases. This is on top of the standard cashback you're already earning with your Rogers Red MasterCard. Let's dive into the numbers to see what this looks like in practice. The Rogers Red MasterCard gives you a baseline of 2% cash back on all your eligible purchases. But when you redeem that cashback to pay for a Rogers, Fido, or Shaw purchase, they give you a 1.5x redemption bonus. That means your 2% cash back is suddenly worth a 3% cash back value. That's already a sweet deal, but we're not done. Now, for the stacking part. When you're on one of the eligible 5G plans, the new promotion kicks in. This limited time offer gives you an additional 2% cash back on those eligible Rogers purchases. So, instead of just the regular 2% you earn on a purchase like your monthly bill, you're earning a total of 4%. Then, when you redeem all of your accumulated cashback towards a Rogers bill, you get that 1.5x redemption bonus. It's the perfect 1-2 punch for maximizing your rewards. So, how do you make sure you're getting all of this? First, you need to be a Rogers customer with a Rogers Red MasterCard. If you're not, you can apply for one. Then, you need to subscribe to either the Rogers Infinite Ultimate or Infinite Ultimate VIP 5G plan. Once you're on the right plan and have the right card, just make sure you're using that card to pay for your Rogers services. The additional cash back will be applied as an adjustment to your rewards account, and you can see it pile up in the Rogers Bank app. This is more than just a promotional perk, it's a strategic way to get more value out of your everyday spending. Whether you're paying your monthly bill, upgrading to a new 5G phone, or buying accessories, you're not just spending, you're earning. You're turning your mandatory expenses into a rewards engine. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.